Hi! Did you know that there's only long-term healthcare plan in the Philippines? Kaiser International Health Group Inc. is registered as a healthcare provider. Kaiser is not just an HMO. Kaiser's product is geared to address the long-term healthcare needs of individuals, especially after their employment and retirement years. Traditional HMOs provide the financing for companies and employers, medical and health concerns, while a person is employed. This support disappears once one quits, is in between jobs, or is too old or sick to work. While Kaiser has a healthcare plan that allows one to control his own health and provide for his own future. It brings together the best features of an HMO, health saving plan, and financial investment in one plan. Seven years of savings, no exclusions from 8 year and onward. Enjoy your annual physical examinations. Dental coverage. Immediate medical benefits. Inpatient, up to 60,000 annual benefit limit. Emergency care. Room and board, up to 1,000 per day. Lifetime network access to over 2,000 accredited hospitals, intensive care unit, and operating room. To our over 1,000 clinics and diagnostic centers. Lifetime network access to over 10,000 physicians, specialists, surgeons, anesthesiologists, and primary care physicians. A four-way insurance coverage. Term life insurance, accidental death and dismemberment, waiver of installment due to death, waiver of installment due to permanent and total disability. Healthcare benefits, long-term care benefit, a guaranteed amount which can be used at the end of 28th year, regardless of your utilization and can be converted into cash. Annual health benefit, 10% of the long-term care benefit value will earn 10% interest yearly starting from end of the accumulation or paying period. Long-term care bonus, 85% of the total membership fees which can be converted into cash if you don't avail your inpatient benefits during paying period. Additional health benefit, during 8 to 28 year, on top of 10% interest on annual health benefit of 10,000, your fund is earning dividend ranging from 3 to 10% per year. Your total long-term care benefit at maturity age is over 1.16 million. This refers to your total fund at the end of 20 years. You can withdraw this amount or retain it with Kaiser. You can retain the full amount or portion of it. Amount you retain with Kaiser, which could earn 10% interest per year. Extended benefit balance when the member reaches age 60 and beyond. Assuming you retain the 1,166,168 with Kaiser, this will become the total amount of your fund at age 60. Additional annual lifetime healthcare at age 60 with bonus. 10% interest of your fund at age 60. Long-term care benefit at age 65 with bonus. Additional annual lifetime healthcare at age 65 with bonus. Long-term care benefit at age 80 with bonus. Additional annual lifetime healthcare at age 80 with bonus. A portable account. Even if you change or lose your job, your plan and funds stay with you. issue up to age 60, but coverability extend even after 60. Flexible, upgradable within 30 days. If the member dies during the accumulation period, the principal beneficiary named herein shall be the substitute as the new member. Reinstatement can be done within 2 years after lapse policy. Our exclusive broker. International Marketing Group is one of the few companies of its kind in the industry today. A marketing company that is dedicated to serving the financial needs of individuals and families from all walks of life.